Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another car video. This time we're again working on the Audi S5 and we're going to start with the blackout and dechroming process and then move on to a couple of little interior mods. Stay tuned. So I'm now just taking the car to UK Window Tints, that's them there. And these guys are going to tint all of the back windows in the car, which is the start, as I say, of the blackout process. So here we are at UK Window Tints here in Hull, and the car's now inside and the tinting has now started. So I'll just show you what's involved on some time-lapse video. There we go, back home now, and that's it, the job is complete, and what a fantastic job. I mean, look at this, it looks so much different now all the windows are blacked out. Absolutely excellent, so glad I got this done. So that's the start of the blackout. We're looking at dechroming this car as well, and obviously doing the wheels black as well, but that's all yet to come. Let's have a look at a couple of interior tweaks I said I promised I'd do as well in this video. Okay, so here we are inside the car, and as I say, they're just a couple of little mods. So can you guess what these are? I did this on my Mustang, and here we go, open up the box, and yes, they are paddle extenders. So yeah, the actual paddles you get on the car are very short. So yeah, the paddles that come with the car are a tiny little thing. You can hardly see them, to be honest, when you're behind the steering wheel. So with the addition of this, which basically is just going to stick on the back like that, that looks amazing. Look at that, fantastic. Maybe I should have got silver ones. That's all right, I think they look pretty good like that. All right, so let's get these installed. Okay, so now I need to stick it in the correct place first time. And just hold it in place. I'm a little bit concerned about these ones because the actual paddle, the original paddle, it's got a slight curve on it. Now these do have a slight indentation, but I don't think it matches the actual curve, but I'm hoping that there's enough sticky on the left and the right side to capture it. It's interesting why they actually put two sets of sticky in the box, so I don't know if you're supposed to use both of them, I'm not sure. Let's see how this goes. There's a bit of movement on the actual, it's hard to tell really. It's a little bit wobbly, but I think these sort of get more sticky after time, so yep, I think that's good. Right, so with this one, just need to make sure there's no dust in there. They're pretty solidly made. I mean, they're good quality. These are Aliexpress specials again. Now, I don't put links below for them because to be honest, it's like eBay. As soon as you put a link below for something, if they sell out and then stop selling them, then the link becomes useless. So basically just search for paddle shift extenders for an Audi A5 or S5 or whatever, and they should come up. Right, so this time I'm going to just start the top of this. And when I did this on my Mustang, I came to my car one day and one of the actual paddle extenders was actually on the floor. And I thought, oh, okay. So I picked it up, stuck it back on again, and it's never fell off since. So I don't know, it was middle of summer, so I don't know if the heat had just kind of melted the glue. So it did get quite hot some of the days in summer. Right, got it going, so that's that side. So now I'm going to get this and put it on the panel. And peel off now, easier because I've started it. And let's attach it to the other paddle. Now, because of that curve in the paddle, I'm not too confident on these ones, but if they do fall off, then what I'll do, I'll put the second one on, which will give it that bit more thickness in the middle and hopefully capture and touch the paddle in the middle and hold it. I think it's just holding on the two edges there. But yeah, apart from that, brilliant. That's fantastic. That looks way better. On to the next mod. So this next mod is one that I actually did in my Mustang again, and I do like the concepts of these, and I think they're absolutely brilliant. So let me just show you what it is. So what this is a wireless charger where you can just sit your phone on it, which you get in a lot of modern cars today. It plugs into the cigarette lighter, which is where your ashtray is. Now, I don't know if I need to take the ashtray out or whether it just sits inside the ashtray, which I just need to check that. But yeah, let's have a look, see how it's going to fit. So I've just checked this out, and I think it's going to be actually easier than I imagined. But number one, let's just test it. So take the cigarette lighter out. Now I might have to turn the ignition on for this to work. We'll just plug that in there and turn the ignition on. Yep, that's lit up. So I should now be able to pop my phone on there and it should charge. Yep, so started charging, so that definitely works. So just looking at it, it basically plugs in to your cigarette lighter there, and then all you do is push it down at the back and down at the front, and that's it, installed. So that's that. So now I can just chuck my phone on there and it starts charging up, which is fantastic. It only just fits actually, but mine is an S10 Plus, so it's quite a big phone, mine. So but yeah, that works fine. So looking closer at the unit, as you can see, you have the charging area here, but look, also under here you get a USB socket. So if you do need to charge anything else, then you've still got your USB there. So that's really good. As I say, let me take mine out the rubber case, because the rubber case makes it a bit bigger. So just put my phone on there like that, and you'll see it's kicked in and it's now charging. So there we go, well pleased with those two mods. I've got the paddle extenders now, which is fantastic. I've got the wireless charging in the car, which just almost looks like it was meant to be in the car. It just sits lovely above the cigarette lighter and the ashtray, which of course I'm never going to use because I don't smoke. And I don't know if you can see in the back now, but it's really nice and dark in the back, so it gives you that privacy glass that I've got now. A massive thanks to UK Window Tints for that, so that's their information there if you want to use them. So they're based in Hull. If you're in that area, absolutely go see them, give them a call, give them a shout, and they'll do your car for you. So that's it. So hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, then please subscribe to my channel. I'm still aiming and I'm still on target to get that 750 subs by Christmas. So please help me out, please subscribe, and if you did like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to keep watching this channel. The next one on this Audi is going to be amazing. It's the Stage 1 tune. So I'm going to give it hopefully an extra 100 brake horsepower by just getting that Stage 1. So absolutely stay tuned to the channel for that. Thanks for watching. Take care.